Hello everyone, welcome to solve this nice math Olympiad geometry challenge. And here we have this is a nice right triangle A, B and C in which the length of one side are given, that is A is equals to 3. So for this less information of this right triangle, we need to find the parameter of this triangle. So here you see that the length of only one side are given and the length of other two sides are unknown. So first we need to find the length of other two sides, and then we move towards the parameter of this right triangle. So here you see that this is right triangle and the side opposite to this right triangle is called the hypotenuse. This means that this side is our hypotenuse, and the side we join both of these two angles is called the base. So this side is our base and this side is called the perpendicular or altitude side of this triangle. So here we solve this problem with the help of Pythagoras theorem, and you very well know about that. The Pythagoras theorem is stated as hypotenuse square is equals to base square plus perpendicular square. Okay, this is the Pythagoras theorem, and here you see that the value of hypotenuse is c. So when you put it here, it will become c square. The value of base is a, so this is a square, and the value of perpendicular is b, so this will becomes b square. So here you remember one thing is that this a, b and c are all positive integers. Okay, so this means that we just solve this problem for only positive integer values of a, b and c, or positive parameter. Okay, because you know about that the length of all sides of triangle are positive. So here we just here we need to substitute the value of a here, and we write this term as a square is equals to the value of c square is equals to, this is a square, the value of a is 3 square plus b square, and here we move this b square from right hand side to the left hand side, and it will be written as c square minus b square is equals to 3 square becomes here 9. And now you see here in the left hand side we will get, this is the very famous algebraic formula, c square minus b square is equals to c minus b times of c plus b is equals to 9. And now you see here in the left hand side we have, there are two factors are multiplied by each other, but in the right hand side we have only one factor. So first we need to find any two positive integers whose product becomes 9. So the possibilities are 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9, and 3 multiplied by 3 is also equals to 9. So we have, there are two possibilities in which we can find the values of b and c. So that here we divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we compare both of these two factors with 1 and 9, and it will be written as c minus b is equals to 1 and c plus b is equals to 9. And here in the parallel we will solve the second case. So in second case we compare both of these two values with 3 and 3, so it will be written as c minus b is equals to 3 and c plus b is also equals to 3. So here first we solve both of these two cases and we get the values of b and c. So first we need to focus on second case. In the second case here when we subtract these two equations, we call this is equation number 1 and this is our equation number 2. So here we subtract equation number 1 with equation number 2, then it means that we need to change the signs. So this is negative, negative and negative. So this minus 3 and plus 3 are gone, this minus 3 and plus 3 are gone, and we get here minus b becomes minus 2b is equals to 0, and here we get b is equals to 0. So here you see that in a right triangle all the length are greater than or equals to 0. So it is not possible that the side length of any the side length of a triangle is 0. Any side length of triangle is 0. So this is not possible case if b equals to 0. So we write that it is not possible case. So here, so that we rejected this case, and we will just proceed here this case only. And in this case we will be called that this is the equation number 3 and this is our equation number 4. So here we sum up equation number 3 and equation number 4, and we get This is minus b and minus b are gone, and c plus c becomes 2, c and 1 plus 9 becomes 10. And for the values of c, we divide both of the sides by 2, and this 2 and 2 are gone, and we get c is equals to 5. This is 2 times 5 becomes here 10. So here first we find the value of c is equals to 5, and you clearly see here this is belongs to positive integer. And now here we substitute this value of c into the equation number 3, and we get the value of b. So here we just write our equation number 3 is implies that we put this value of c here, and it will be written as 5 minus b is equals to 1. Here we move b to the right hand side and 1 to the left hand side, and it will becomes 5 minus 1 is equals to b. So here we easily get the value of b is equals to 4. So this is the value of b. Again, you see here our b is positive integer. So here we move towards our final destination, and our final destination is to find the parameter of the given triangle. Now, so you very well know about that the formula of parameter of triangle is be the sum of all the sides lengths of the triangle, and we have the side length are a, b, and c. So we substitute all these three values here. The value of a which is given as 3, and the value of b which we can find here is 4, and the value of c is 5. So when we sum up these three values, 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 3 becomes here 12. So this is the required parameter of the given triangle, and this is the final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.